Welcome to TheAutoVerse, your ultimate destination for the latest automotive news and reviews. Today we're diving into the highly anticipated 2025 Ford Ranger Super Duty, a truck that's set to raise the bar in the pickup segment. Let's explore the most up-to-date and authentic information about its engine, looks, interior, and features. The 2025 Ford Ranger Super Duty is built to offer an impressive balance of strength, capability, and comfort. Under the hood, the Ranger Super Duty comes with multiple engine options, including a 7.3-liter V8 engine that delivers robust power for towing and hauling, making it an ideal choice for heavy-duty tasks. Additionally, Ford has incorporated a 3.0-liter V6 turbocharged diesel engine for those seeking better fuel efficiency without sacrificing performance. The standard engine configuration offers around 400 horsepower, with higher trims delivering even more power for tougher jobs. This lineup ensures that the Ranger Super Duty has the strength to tackle everything from construction sites to off-road adventures, offering impressive towing and payload capacities. In terms of design, the 2025 Ford Ranger Super Duty boasts a bold, muscular exterior that commands attention. The truck features a wider grille, aggressive front bumper, and enhanced wheel arches that give it a strong presence on the road. Its high-strength steel frame and reinforced body panels contribute to its durability and ruggedness. The Ranger Super Duty's design is tailored for both work and play, with an elevated stance that gives it off-road capabilities to match its on-road prowess. The truck also features LED headlights and tail lights, which add a modern touch to its tough exterior. Moving inside, the 2025 Ford Ranger Super Duty doesn't skimp on comfort or technology. The cabin is spacious and designed with durability in mind, featuring premium materials and a user-friendly layout. The truck comes equipped with a large touchscreen display for its Sync 4 infotainment system, which supports Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and built-in navigation. The interior is designed to accommodate both work essentials and passenger comfort, with ergonomic seats that are supportive on long drives. Additionally, the Ranger Super Duty offers an impressive array of driver assist features, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and blind spot monitoring, making it a great choice for those who prioritize safety and convenience on the road. The 2025 Ranger Super Duty also includes a variety of tech features, such as a wireless charging pad, USB ports, and available leather upholstery for a more premium feel. The rear seats are roomy enough to ensure passengers can enjoy a comfortable ride. And with the truck's large cargo bed, there's plenty of space for transporting gear, tools, or recreational equipment. As for the pricing, the 2025 Ford Ranger Super Duty is expected to start around $38,000 for the base model, with higher trims such as the Lariat or King Ranch pushing the price to over $50,000, depending on the configuration and additional options. While this places the Ranger Super Duty in the competitive mid-range of pickup prices, its robust engine options, advanced technology, and practical design make it a strong contender in the heavy-duty truck market. In conclusion, the 2025 Ford Ranger Super Duty is a highly capable, well-rounded truck that combines power, technology, and comfort for both work and leisure. With its strong engine options, rugged design, and tech-savvy interior, it's a truck that offers incredible value for those seeking a reliable vehicle that can handle anything thrown its way. If you enjoyed this review, make sure to subscribe to the AutoVerse for more content like this. Stay tuned for more updates, and thanks for watching.